Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I want to give a big shout out to Beadalon for sending me this awesome 2-shape wire crinkler. Can't wait to try it on the video today. I'm making minimalist earrings and rings using the artistic wire bead crinkler. You're going to take all the pieces out of the package. It comes with 2 different styles of gears, so there's like a rounder one and a pointy one, and you'll just take the gears and place them on the base. They just click right on there, and then we're taking 22 gauge wire and you're going to feed it through the gears. So one of them has a handle, you just hold the handle, and the other one you can just push with your thumb and your finger, and it slides quite easily through the gears as you turn. So you'll see that the wire shrinks down. I started with 6 inches, and now we're going to just try the other one with the pointy gears. So we're just going to feed it through. Again, 22 gauge wire. Don't use any thicker than that. And we're going to feed it through, and you'll see this one makes sharper bends. And it doesn't affect the coating on the wire. It stays really nice. So for this one, I'm just going to take my round pliers and turn the end to make a little bit of a loop. Just wiggle it around, try to center that loop. And then from there, I'm going to clip it to the length that I want. This is going to be an earring, and I'll straighten that out so we can slide a little bead. I put a 6mm bead on there, miracle bead, and we're just going to turn the end on there. And then I'm going to take a commercial earring hook and just pop it on there. And there you have your minimalist earrings with the dangly bead. So I made another pair with the more curved gear, just measuring them to make sure they're the same size. Again, flatten out the ends so you could slide a bead on there. And I'm going to use a 4mm miracle bead for this one. And then we'll clip the end to about 1/4 inch. Take the round pliers, turn it to close it up. And then we're going to take some hooks. I just made these ones myself. I'll link up a tutorial to make your own earring hooks in the description below. And there are the ones with the smaller beads and both pairs of earrings. So now to do a ring, we just made a length of wire. The length will depend on the size of your finger. Could be about 2 1/4 to 2.5 inches, and we're going to wind it around the stepped ring mandrel to find out our size, and then remove it, straighten it out a little bit where you want to make the attachment, just using the flat pliers. And then we're just going to bend it up where we want them attached with our round pliers. Clip the end, and then you're just going to hook that end in there. You could add a bead if you wanted as well. I'm going to clip that a little bit more, and then take our round pliers and just close up that loop. Pinch it in. Make sure there's no little pokey ends. Put it back on the ring mandrel and form it around. You can give it a little hammer if you want to stiffen it up. And there's your very simple minimalist ring. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.